Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to remove a saved payment method from your AliExpress account in 2025, step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your AliExpress account. Go to aliexpress.com or open the app and log into your account using your email or connected social account. Once you're logged in, head to the account section by clicking on your profile icon at the top right corner. Step 2. Go to My Wallet. From your account menu, select My Wallet or Cards and Bank Accounts. If you're using the mobile app, tap Account, then scroll down and choose Wallet. This is where all your saved payment methods are stored. Step 3. Find the card you want to remove. You'll see a list of your saved debit or credit cards. Look for the one you want to remove. Next to it, there should be a Delete or Remove button, represented by a trash can icon or text. Click or tap that. Step 4. Confirm the deletion. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you're sure you want to delete the card. Click Confirm or Yes, and your payment method will be removed from your AliExpress wallet. Note: you can only remove a card if it's not tied to an active order. Bonus tip. Want to avoid saving cards in the future? When checking out, uncheck the box that says Save this card for future use. That way, your card won't be stored on AliExpress again. And that's how to remove a payment method from AliExpress in 2025. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy tech and shopping tutorials. Have questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll reply as soon as possible.